Hey everyone, long time no see. I believe it's been over a month since I've uploaded. I've got a bag of Disney stuff sitting in the Disney room because I need to film a haul video, which I still have not filmed. But today is actually a travel day because I'm going up to Glasgow for 2 nights. Now the whole point of this trip was to go and see Sam Smith in concert, and he postponed it last night until the 25th of May. And the 2 people I'm going with, we have no idea if we can get the time off next month to go back up. So we're still going to go because the hotel was non-refundable, and we're going to make the best of the situation. We have a meal at Finway. No, we don't. We don't have a meal booked there. We have a meal booked at the Alchemist tonight at 6:30. So I will film what I can in the Alchemist. I'll do a room tour. I'll also film a full room tour and upload it as a separate video because I always do that when I go away. If you're a regular to the channel, you will of course know this. We're going shopping tomorrow, and I'm gonna let Dan and James try Taco Bell for the first time, so I'll try and catch that on film as well. So there's a few things that I'll be able to film and stuff. It'll probably be an all-in-one video. I don't think it's going to be a 2-part thing, but as I say, we'll make the most of the situation. I'm currently just on the train waiting for it to leave Carlisle, and I picked up this, which looks really quite nice. It's a honey mustard pasta. Oh, it's got chicken in it as well. It was like honey and mustard pasta. No, it needs meat in it. It's got chicken in it. Woo. And that is it. So the next time I speak to you, we'll be in Glasgow. It is now just after 6:15. Our Alchemist booking is past. We're like literally a 5-minute walk away. But what I'm going to do is flip the camera around and I'll show you my outfit in the mirror, and then we are going to get going. And I will show the food and everything on the Alchemist. Hopefully it shouldn't be too loud, but I've got a funny feeling it will be.
We shall see.
It's a Saturday, yeah. My messy suitcase. Although, is it that messy?
No, I wouldn't say
No,
so.
it's okay. Right, so, outfit. I know that this pattern of this shirt jacket clashes with this, but this is just a jacket. This, by the way, Primark, £3 down from 18. The shirt's also from Primark last year, but this is my outfit. It's pretty plain. And then I got new shoes yesterday. But now we're gonna go. It's the morning after the night before, and we'll say that last night was interesting, and we will leave it at that.
It was definitely interesting. Wow.
Sorry,
that's okay.
We had a good night, all in all. We went to a few different places, obviously. We were out, you can't film in any of these places. The Alchemist, I will have inserted some footage. Alchemist was super duper loud. I could barely hear myself think, but the food was really good though.
It was absolutely stunning. The service was great.
Yeah. Walkabout, on the other hand, service was awful. I never even got one drink. Not one. The service was so bad. And then we went to Delmonico's and then Polo Lounge, and then basically back here. Today the plan is we are going to go to Taco Bell first because it's knocking on about 11:30ish, and then we're going to basically go shopping. So I'll take you to the shops. We'll do Primark, Lego store, and then a few other places that we want to go to. And then tonight, I think we're just going to eat in spoons to keep the cost down, and then see where the day takes us. I will show you my outfit of the day once I'm changed because I'm currently in my Disney 30th top. But this phone needs to go back on charge.
It's very on brand for you, man.
It's very on brand. And I'll speak to you all later. So it's quite loud in here. Dan, you got a, what's it, quesadilla?
Crunch up supreme with seasoned fries.
Okay. I got everything on the menu. I got churros, fries, this is a wee nacho cheese dip, I think this is beef, that's a cheesy roll-up, and that's chicken, but most of it fell out when I unwrapped it. And a cherry Pepsi Max. But we're currently in Forbidden Planet. Tons of stuff in here. And there's a massive, I'll just slide James to the side. Massive Chewbacca. There's tons of Funkos. There's some really gorgeous Disney Loungefly as well. And here's my bag of goodies. So yeah, I'll try and show you some bits and stuff, but there's a security guy at the door, and I don't know whether you're actually allowed to film in here or not, so I'm going to have to try and be sneaky. So I found the Disney section. So you've got the massive Disney 100 ones, and the Funkos are so much bigger than like a standard one. You've got the Mickey and Friends new ones. I love the Goofy. You've got, Minnie on a horse. There's also Mary Poppins and Bart on horses. That's really cool. You've got like Disney Classics ones from the theme parks, the Walt Disney World 50th. I actually do own this one, but I'm really tempted by, let me just grab her, by this Belle one. I just have nowhere to actually display her. So we just came across this Britney one, which looks nothing like Britney, bless her. But look at the Cher one! I think that's really cool. Kind of tempted.
Oh, you want to get Cher?
I'm kind of tempted to get Cher. And then the Disney 100 princesses, there's 3, but they've got like glitter on the dresses, and they're really cool. As you just saw, we just did Forbidden Planet. Dan, do you want to say hi?
I am.
And there's James. Where are you? There's James. We're now in the smaller Primark. What street's this? This is Sauchiehall Street. So this is a much smaller Primark, which means it's quieter, and I don't feel so self-conscious filming. So I'll try and show you some bits in the homeware section, but the kids, the men's, the home's all on the one floor, so I feel like it's quite spaced out. Are you okay rubbing that through?
We'll just we'll give him the moment.
So I'll see if I can find anything Disney or anything of interest, and I'll show you guys. I found the Disney section. Now I actually really like this bedding, but it's £25. And I don't need any more Disney bedding, but I did buy this mug yesterday. I'm gonna do like a little haul later on back in the room, but I love this mug and it was £7 and I think it's stunning, part of the Disney 100 collection. You've got the sheets, more throws, Mickey faced pillows, we've got Stitch, and then you've got your hooded throw as well. And then on the other side, ooh, this is cool. You've got the new Stitch water bottle. You've got the fitted sheet. Funky ass cushion. Oh, this is in the wrong place, but it's a little ballerina lunchbox. We've got some Harry Potter bits and pieces. Pikachu. A little Grogu hooded throw. Look how cute Grogu is. We have this really cool Disney 100 book. James is going to open it for us. Basically, I think it's just a massive notepad, but a £5's not bad. I thought a £10 was a bit much, but it is really pretty though. James has picked up some measuring spoons. How much are they, James?
They're £1.
They're £1. Oh, half price. We've also got this really cool Minnie and Daisy 1000 piece sticker set along with this notebook as well. But we came across this Disney 100 Funko Primark exclusive of Mickey. I don't know how to feel about it, to be honest.
Personally, I like it.
Okay, you like it.
It's like a cross between like the old Mickey
like
and the new
Steamboat
Mickey.
and I don't know. It's a no from me. It's also 14
It's a
quid.
yes from me.
It's a okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyways,
We get a box sheet.
that's that. But here's some more notebooks and stuff. This one here's reduced to £2. Got some Bugs Bunny. We've got the Winnie the Pooh one's adorable. Just flower ones, and then we've got Care. Yeah, that's Care Bears as well. A purchase has been made inside of the Lego store, but it is incredibly busy. I'll show you these things along this wall, kind of. So you've got the massive Titanic, the boutique hotel. Dan loves the Jazz Club, which is here. You've got some things on display. You've got the little Disney 100. It's a pack of 4. I really like the log cabin, actually. That's there. Oh, that's BTS. It's upside down. That's quite cool. 90 quid is quite cheap, because I'll just show you how expensive this is. $734.99. It's now been about 3 or 4 weeks since the Glasgow trip, and I'm so sorry that it ended the way that it did. I last filmed on the Sunday and then we came home the Monday. I thought I'd filmed on the Sunday night when we went to the Witherspoons for food. If I do have photos, I will pop them on the screen, but I cannot promise anything. I'm sure I remember taking a photo and sending it to somebody though. So if I can find it, as I say, I'll pop it on the screen. As I also said in the vlog, I would film what I purchased, and I've managed to gather everything apart from basically 2 things, and I'll explain why. So the suitcase that I purchased that you'll have seen in the vlog is actually now stored under my bed, and the things from the American candy store probably lasted about 2.5 days before they were destroyed. So yeah, but the stuff was good, and I know that those American sort of candy stores can always be quite pricey, but there was some bargains in this one, and I didn't actually mind some of the prices. So yeah, that was good. So first up, just in the order that they're actually sat on me. Hi, Ollie. That's my cat. Hi. I have 2 books. These are from the writer Alice Oseman, who is the writer of the Heartstopper novels. Now this one here is called Nick and Charlie and is a continuation. And then we have Solitaire, which is based on Charlie's sister, Tori. And it's meant to be quite a sad book actually. So these were in the works, I think. Oh, that one was £6 and that one was £7. So that was those. Just pop them to the side. In Hollister, I ended up purchasing this burgundy coloured hoodie, which isn't really showing up the colour that it actually is, but I think it's just because it's starting to get dark outside. So it just has this H here, and then on the hood it says Los Angeles. It's kind of back to front, and that's it. It's just got like a white trim on the bottom and a sort of big pouch pocket across the front. This actually full price was £35. It was reduced to 22 and it went through the till at like 11, and I was like, absolutely, thank you very much, yes please. So that was Hollister. In Forbidden Planet, they had the Disney 100 Funkos, and if you all know, or if you're a regular here, you'll know that I collect mainly Beauty and the Beast, but also Sleeping Beauty, mainly because of the Sleeping Beauty castle in Disneyland Paris. And I picked up the Aurora Disney 100 Funko. She was $11.99, and her dress goes from the pink to blue gradient and kind of hits a sort of purple colour in the middle, and has these gorgeous sort of see-through glitter things to show sort of the transformation of the colour. And this was $11.99 in Forbidden Planet. The Funkos have gone up by £1, but I don't mind so much. But definitely check through the box to check the paint details, because sometimes there's imperfections, but you know, it is what it is. So next up is Primark and the Disney 100 mug. This mug is gorgeous, and as you can see, it is very holographic. So you've got the Disney D on the front with the very old style Mickey and Minnie. Along the top and the bottom it says 100 Years of Wonder. It might be difficult to read just because of the light and everything there, and of course you've got the Mickey on the handle, and then on the back it just says the exact same thing there. And then what I love on the inside is you have the characters running there. We love this. It's great. I love it. And that was £7, by the way, and I love the tag too actually, so there we go. The final thing is something I have wanted for a very long time, and it is from the Lego store, and it is the Disney 50th Walt Disney World castle. That was a jumble of words there, but I picked up this. Now I am going to be sorting out some shelves in my bedroom into K-pop shelves, and there's going to be a Heartstopper shelf, and this is going to go on the very, very top and stuff like that. I'm thinking of filming a video to show all of that and the process. But I picked up this, and I've also used the website Light My Bricks to purchase a light kit to light up specific parts of the castle as well. This was $34.99 in the Lego store. I don't think that's too bad for this, and the only reason I bought the Disney World castle is because they'll never probably release a Disneyland Paris one, and it's just so cute not to have, especially as like a little focal feature on the very top of my shelves. So that was my purchases from the trip. And now that I've showed you those purchases, I can finish off the vlog. I'm sorry that it's taken me so long to finish the vlog off. Life has kind of got in the way recently. But in just over 2 weeks, I will be off to Leeds with my good friend Sam. As you know, we've done 3 other city break trips here on the channel with Liverpool, Nottingham, and Manchester. All the vlogs are on the channel. Feel free to go and check them out if you would like to. We've got some fun things planned, and this time we are away for 4 nights, which is very exciting indeed. I cannot wait to see Sam again, because the last time I seen her was last July, I believe. So it's been almost a year. So yeah, and what a year it's been in between, let me tell you. So yeah, I could really do with this trip. But I will be vlogging the whole thing, and it'll be much better than this Glasgow vlog, which I'm so sorry about. I genuinely thought I'd filmed more than I did. And it was just a different kind of trip, you know. We weren't like out doing sort of cultural things like me and Sam do, as well as the food and the nights out and stuff like that. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed the vlog all the same though. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below what was your favourite part of this very short vlog, or even something that I purchased. Tell me what you liked. And that's it. I've been Disney Matt. Hit the big red subscribe button, tinkle the bell so you're notified, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.